Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 1st, 2025, and we're diving into Apple's fiscal 2025 second quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, Apple has just released its Q2 2025 earnings, and it seems like they have some impressive numbers to share.
Indeed, Apple's Q2 2025 results are quite remarkable. The company reported a revenue of $95.4 billion, which is a 5% increase year over year. Their diluted earnings per share reached $1.65, setting a new March quarter record. It's clear that Apple's strategic initiatives are paying off, especially with their services revenue hitting an all-time high.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Apple reported a net revenue of $95.4 billion for the second quarter of 2025, which is a 5% increase compared to last year. John, can you elaborate on the factors driving this growth?
Absolutely. The growth in revenue is primarily driven by Apple's services segment, which reached a new all-time high. This includes offerings like the App Store, Apple Music, and iCloud. Additionally, the introduction of new products like the iPhone 16e and the latest Macs and iPads have contributed to this growth. The EPS of $1.65, up 8% year over year, reflects Apple's strong operational performance and cost management.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Apple's operational efficiencies seem to be a key highlight this quarter. They reported an operating cash flow of $24 billion and returned $29 billion to shareholders. What does this indicate about Apple's financial health and future outlook?
These figures indicate a robust financial position. The significant operating cash flow allows Apple to invest in new technologies and return capital to shareholders through dividends and share buybacks. Moreover, Apple's commitment to reducing carbon emissions by 60% over the past decade showcases their dedication to sustainability, which is increasingly important to investors. The launch of new products like the iPhone 16e and updated Macs and iPads further strengthens their market position.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $1.61 for this quarter, based on a survey of 11 analysts. Apple reported an actual EPS of $1.65. How significant is this beat, and what does it tell us about Apple's performance?
This EPS beat of 0.04 cents is quite significant, especially in a competitive market. It demonstrates Apple's ability to exceed market expectations consistently. The higher-than-expected EPS is a result of strong revenue growth, particularly in the services segment, and effective cost management. This performance reinforces investor confidence in Apple's strategic direction and operational execution.
Leadership insights and strategic initiatives. Let's discuss the insights from Apple's leadership. Tim Cook, Apple's CEO, mentioned strong quarterly results and product innovations. Meanwhile, CFO Kevan Parekh highlighted high customer loyalty. How do these statements align with Apple's strategic initiatives?
Tim Cook's emphasis on strong results and product innovation aligns with Apple's focus on expanding its product ecosystem and enhancing customer experience. The introduction of new products and services is a testament to their innovation-driven strategy. Kevan Parekh's mention of high customer loyalty is crucial, as it underpins Apple's ability to maintain a strong installed base and drive recurring revenue through services. The 4% dividend increase and the $100 billion share buyback program further demonstrate Apple's commitment to returning value to shareholders.
Key takeaways. In summary, Apple's Q2 2025 performance showcases strong revenue growth, a record EPS, and strategic initiatives that continue to drive shareholder value. With services revenue at an all-time high and a robust share buyback program, Apple remains a formidable player in the tech industry. Thank you for joining us, John, and thank you to our viewers for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Apple's performance in the comments below.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Apple's impressive results. Looking forward to seeing how they continue to innovate and grow in the coming quarters.